Good morning and welcome to Speed, Velocity, and Acceleration. Today we will be exploring speed, velocity, and acceleration very quickly. Get it? Because it's speed, velocity, and acceleration. First up, speed. It is the distance something travels over time. It is how fast something goes. The formula is distance over time. An example is Mario Kart, where I complete a lap in about 37 seconds. Say the track is about 2 kilometers long. By dividing 2 kilometers by 37 seconds, I get an average speed of 0.05 kilometers per second. Next, velocity. Simply put, it is the speed something is going, but with a direction. For example, 60 kilometers per hour due north. In reality, however, it is a change in position over time. Sounds like the same thing as speed, if you think about it. This Mario Kart lap will demonstrate the difference, however. Let's say the track is again 2 kilometers long and I get back in 37 seconds, like before. This would mean that my speed was about 0.05 kilometers per second, but my velocity was 0. This is because my overall position never changed. I am in the same position as I started with, and there can't be a change in position if the position doesn't change, you know? The actual equation is final position minus starting position divided by time. Don't be intimidated by the equation, however. Normally they will simply look like this, which is basically 1,000 meters over 70 seconds. Third, acceleration. It is the change in velocity over time, basically how quickly your velocity can change. The formula is ending velocity minus starting velocity divided by time. If your ending velocity was lower than your starting velocity, this is known as deceleration. To make it easier, we will treat velocity like speed in this example. Let's say I'm starting this race. At the 2-second mark, I will have a distance of 10 meters. At the 4-second mark, I will have another 22 meters. We calculate the speeds of these individual sections and get an initial speed of 5 meters per second and a later speed of around 11 meters per second. 11 meters per second minus 5 is 6 meters per second. We divide this by 4 seconds because that's the total time, and we get an acceleration of 1.5 meters per second squared. So to sum it up, speed is how fast you are going. It's how much distance you can cover in a certain amount of time. Velocity is like speed, but with a direction attached to it, or how your position changes. And acceleration is how much speed/velocity can change in a certain period of time. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, I guess.